Okay, y'all, here we go. I am back out on Ashroe. This seems to be my favorite lake. I was going to fish the Delaware, but I did yesterday. I got a couple shad. This is not the time for it, not in the boat at least. The water's very, very fast, very dirty. A lot of debris. I saw a lot of branches and sticks and things like that. I didn't want to get messed up in that. So I'm back out here at Ashroe, as you can see in the background. And this is my go-to lake. I always catch fish here. So I just want to give you a heads up on my setup. So let's flip over. And start at the back. I have my milk crate. I have 4 rod holders right now, just to keep them for storage. I can put probably, if I went the opposite way, I'd probably go 6, 8 on the storage boxes. And on the side, I have my pliers and my measuring tape, and my scale is around here someplace. That also hangs there. So I have my paddle inside. I keep my anchor right here. Then I have my lure box, it's a bag of worms. Something very important today, 100% DEET. You have to treat with DEET because there are lots and lots of ticks. And there's mosquitoes today, I don't know why, but always have a life jacket, never go without it. If I was to forget it, I would forget going in the boat. No sense of going in the boat without it. I have my towel for the pickerels, which are slimy as hell. And if you notice, this thing right here, I got my mount. My brother has been bugging me to get a mount, so I finally got it. So this will be the last time that I use the selfie stick for filming fishing. So let me get my boots over here on, lock up the Jeep, and go. Alrighty, here we go. Alright, first thing we're going to try is trolling. Love to do my trolling. So we're going to be using today chartreuse orange. Oh yeah, nice long cast. Check the drag. Yeah, nice light drag. Okay, here we go. Some days trolling can be phenomenal. Other days, not a hit. When the weeds pick up, or they come up to the surface, it gets tricky. The only time you can troll is the deep waters or over by the stumps where there seems to be hardly any weeds. And it's just a big tree line out there, so take it nice, slow, 1 to 2 miles an hour, I would say. Got a nice breeze today. This should be real good. It's not riding up the top. No. I have a 20-pound mono leader on there. I'm using 4-pound test as my main line. And trying not to lose my lures to these pickerel. There's a lot of pickerel in this lake, as you've seen in other videos. I've gotten them up. Oh, looks like I got a hit. Yep, here we go. My first fish on camera. Oh yeah. Get the pickerel. Nope. Awesome. I have been reeling in fish and had grab them. There we go, my first fish on camera. Boy, the mount sure helps, doesn't it? That's excellent. And get a quick release on that. That's a nice one. Now, measuring here, let's see, that's 12. That is 12 inches. Not too bad. There we go. Alrighty. Okay. Now, back out again. That was my first cast, so I think it's going to be a good day. Oh, okay. I was wondering if it was riding right. Tracking true and all, but I guess it is. We just got one. Okay, here comes try number 2. Nice, slow pace. For some people it's boring, but hey, I love it. I like using the Bass Pro's camouflage line in 4-pound test. I've tried other 4-pound tests and clear and this and that. This is the best of both worlds. I can still see the line because it has red in it. But once it gets under the water, I can't see it because it is red. After about, I think it's 9 foot, it becomes completely invisible. Light spectrum can't see it. So, let's see what happens next with this. I'm going to be starting a new series within my channel, and it's going to be the search for a muskie. It's not going to happen in this lake. There are no muskie in here that I know of. Made a really big pickerel, but once the Delaware clears up a little more and slows down, it's at a ferocious rate right now. I'm going to go ahead and start breaking out. I have my braided line on my big rod. Kind of small for muskies, but we'll see how that goes. But I've never caught a muskie. This is one of the things I've been wanting to do for a long time. Just didn't have the equipment for it, or the means. I never had a boat for it. It was very difficult to get it from shore. I'll be fishing from Route 80, where it crosses over the Delaware all the way up to Dingmansbury, which is probably, I don't know, maybe 20 miles. I'm not sure. I'll be trying different areas, and we'll see how that goes. Start buying bigger baits, stronger lines. I think on my big rod back there, the big white one, I have 25 or 30 pound test braided line, and that's what I use for my big pickerel here. I have a swim bait on it I'll be using later. So hopefully we'll get something this year. Let's check to see if it's on top of the water. Sometimes it grabs a weed. It just rides along the top. Alrighty. I think it's 9 foot. It becomes completely invisible. Light spectrum can't see it. So, let's see what happens next with this. I'm going to be starting a new series within my channel, and it's going to be the search for a muskie. It's not going to happen in this lake. There are no muskie in here that I know of. I made a really big pickerel, but once the Delaware clears up a little more and slows down, it's at a ferocious rate right now. I'm going to go ahead and start breaking out. I have my braided line on my big rod. Kind of small for muskies, but we'll see how that goes. But I've never caught a muskie. So this is one of the things I've been wanting to do for a long time. Just didn't have the equipment for it, or the means. I never had a boat for it. It's very difficult to get it from shore. I'll be fishing from Route 80, where it crosses over the Delaware all the way up to Dingmansbury, which is probably, I don't know, maybe 20 miles. I'm not sure. I'll be trying different areas, and we'll see how that goes. I have to start buying bigger baits, stronger lines. I think on my big rod back there, the big white one, I have 25 or 30 pound test braided line, and that's what I use for my big pickerel here. I have a swim bait on it I'll be using later. So hopefully we'll get something this year. Let's check and see if it's on top of the water. Sometimes it grabs a weed and it just rides along the top. Alrighty. Let me go ahead and check the bait. Got something on. Don't know what it is. I stopped the lure and he smacked it. He's pretty good. Don't know what he is though. It is a big pickerel. Hopefully it doesn't cut the line. Oh, he's frayed the hell out of it, so stay down. Alrighty, come here, big boy. Oh yeah, he's got the whole thing in his mouth, so I might lose this one. I can see the frays in the line, hopefully it comes out. And I got you. There we go. Wow, he hammered it. Look how easy that came out. That's another nice one. Look at those teeth. Can you see them? Alright, let me measure this guy. That's pretty. Might want to take some pictures of that one.